The world's most magical metal, when dripped onto a steel cable, makes it extremely fragile within hours. If dripped onto a soda can, the can becomes as brittle as paper. Even the undripped outer edge becomes similarly brittle. When applied to a tennis racket, it breaks apart after hours. A netizen tested it on a mobile phone, and within hours, the phone's back could be torn open, nearly destroying the device. Some skeptics tried it on their laptops, and after a few hours, the laptops turned into a mess, eliciting cries of dismay. This metal is called gallium, which can corrode metals such as copper, aluminum, and iron, but it won't corrode one's hands. Even if you immerse your hand in it, there's no harm. Why is this? At room temperature, it can become a solid state, turning into a liquid once it reaches its melting point of 29.78 degrees Celsius. Its highly destructive nature towards various metals is due to its interaction with their microscopic structures. Unlike other metals, which may have orderly arrangements but large gaps between their internal atoms, the atoms inside the substance are more scattered. When in contact with other metals, its internal atoms penetrate gaps of the other metal, disrupting the metal's structure. Consequently, even a solid iron plate, once its structure is compromised, could be easily broken with a punch. However, this substance does not react with biological materials, which is why it doesn't harm human skin.